Okay. Good afternoon, fellow Foundrymen. This is Senthil Kumar from IIF Chennai Chapter Secretary. Before we start, I would request everyone to put your system on mute. Hello. I would request everyone to put yourself mute. I also request you to switch off your camera so that we can give a focus to the speaker and there will not be any disturbances for the presentation. And it gives me immense pleasure to interact with you for yet another webinar from IIF Chennai chapter. As you all aware that we have our weekly webinar programs, and especially for last Saturday is dedicated to non-ferrous industries. And we have today we have a speaker for non-ferrous subject, the topic of Foundry and Diecasting industry digitalization solution and its benefits from Mr. Sri Arul Vasagam, Director and IIoT Sales Head, Ausweg Info Controls Private Limited. I think everybody's digitalization is a very big buzzword nowadays. Everybody's aware, and it also transforming all our personal life, like all our phone pay, Swiggy, all the stuff. It is also coming into the factories environmental, and it is getting into the lot of benefit to the people. I'm sure that today's speaker would be able to how this digitalization solutions giving a lot of solutions to the industries, especially for the die casting industries. I would request everyone to put your listening hat and then listen carefully and then take the lot of takeaways. To get things started, now I request our chapter chairman VK Raman sir to welcome the gathering in formal manner. Raman sir?
Yeah, thank you, Senthil.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you. So it's our immense pleasure to welcome you for this technical webinar today. The subject is very, very interesting, where the entire world is focusing on digitalization solutions in their businesses. Foundry is not an exception. Digitalization straight away takes the industry towards the profitability first and the saving in time, and which minimize or eliminates the human factor effect. Further to that, the predominant issue of any foundry industry, the quality issues are totally focused through digital way, where the data of processes collected in a systemized way with 100% accuracy to take any action after verifying the root causes. So that will be the way forward in future for analyzing the quality issues, whether it is in-house quality issue or related to customer and quality issue. So in that way, digitalization solution is very much inevitable. So today the speaker, Sri Arul Vasagam, Director and Sales Head, Ausweg Info Controls Private Limited, is going to talk about foundry and die casting industries digitalization solutions and its benefits. So that is a topic. Definitely this topic will benefit all the fellow foundrymen, and our knowledge will be enhanced further to take it forward.
Yes.
So again, I welcome you all. As our secretary told, please you mute your phone. You can raise your questions at the end of the session, and Mr. Sri Arul Vasagam will be in a position to give all the clarifications for all the questions raised. Thank you very much. Now I request Senthil to take it forward. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I would request our council members, Mr. M. Prasad, to introduce the speaker to the audience, please.
Thank you, Senthil sir. It's my pleasure to introduce today's speaker, Mr. Sri Arul Vasagam. Mr. Arul Vasagam is an electrical engineering graduate. He is having a total 9 years of experience in automation and digitalization field. He is having more experience in plant level and enterprise level IIoT consultant and execution. He had done 50 plus automation projects as automation programmer and 100 plus automation projects consultant and given solutions as sales executive in Siemens Limited. He implemented digital factory solutions across multiple factories and locations in manufacturing industries like automotive, plastic, pharma, rubber, pump, sugar, paper, and OEMs machine manufacturers. Now the floor is yours, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Arul Vasagam,
Yes,
sir, please take
shall
over,
I
sir.
continue, sir? Yes.
Yeah, sir, please take over, sir. Yeah.
Yes. So thank you. Thank you for all. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, association members. And then I would like to say thanks for this opportunity to show our presentations in IIF. Special thanks to Mr. V.K. Raman, Chairman, sir, and then Mr. Vignesh Ramanan, Vice Chairman, sir, and then Mr. P. Sendil Kumar, sir, actually Honorable Secretary, and Mr. Raj Mohan Madilagan, sir, Mr. Joint Secretary, and also R.S. Kumar, Honorable Treasurer, and then Prabhakar sir, Prabhakar sir and Shekhar sir, he was initially itself this presentation arrangements they have done very well. And also I would love to say thanks for the Bakulcha sir, who helping minded guy and connecting to our solution to the IIF, so to make this event happens. So a special thanks to Mr. Bakulcha sir also. So I'm getting into the agenda. So today our topic, Foundry and Diecasting industries, digitalization solution and its benefits. So I have some more preparations. So before that, I go into quick introduction about our company and our solutions. So that after that, I plan to give a case studies, architectures, and then what are the solutions, what are the benefits they are getting out of it, and then what are the solutions we have done in especially for Foundry industries. Those things I love to share. So we are from Ausweg Info Controls Private Limited. We are doing majorly 4 BUs. First one was industrial automation. So industrial automation, we are guiding and transforming the manual operations to the automated operations, to supporting the machine builders, SPM machine manufacturers, manufacturing sectors like control panel manufacturer also. So for their existing manual process, we are converting into the digital manner, like automated manner through the data PLCs, HMIs, servo drive, VFDs. Those things we are doing in this industrial automation BU. And next one was like industrial IoT. In this industrial IoT, we are guiding to the manufacturing companies for their digitalization path, like especially MSME and SMEs. And also we have developed our gateways and softwares completely 100% make in India concept. And also we have enabling the manufacturing companies real potential for the planning, production, maintenance, as well as quality and supply chain management, and the complete factory digitalization to their reach business needs success. That's what we are doing in industrial IoT. Here we have developed standard products for the maximum manufacturing companies for the like OE monitoring, energy monitoring, these kind of things we have developed. But now today I'm not going to take that things actually, that also we have separate discussions. But today we are focusing on Foundry related on solutions. And then our third BU. In our third BU, we are like doing projects like machine tending applications, palletizing, pick and place, loading and unloading, screwing, handling, vision shorting, these kind of solutions using our standard robot products, robot and as well as cobot. So robot also we are doing and cobot also we are doing. So in this manner, we are giving like a complete automated solutions 24/7 for the manufacturing sectors using our robotic solutions. We have a separate team for these robotic solutions, and also we have another BU called the power solutions. So in this power solution, we are improving factory power quality to enhance equipment lifespan and productivity, and as given as a complete industrial online UPS and active harmonic filters and SVG static war generator, that kind of solutions we are giving through under the power solutions. These are all our major BUs. in our company. This is our company overview. Next slide. I move on. 1 second. It's what's updating. Yes. So our company overview. We have a strong IoT project reference in reputed companies in Chennai, Bangalore, and Coimbatore, and also our team professionals. Totally, right now we are in 60 plus people. Geographically, we are spreading Coimbatore as a headquarters and Chennai and Bangalore as a branch office. Chennai, we have office in Adambakam, nearby Gindi, and Bangalore, we have office in Bommasandra, and also we have a strong information technology and operation technology team. Like analyticals level also we have a strong team, and also data collection level also we have a strong team. Why? Because we are handling industrial automation as well, so we can able to get the real-time data from any kind of PLCs, controllers, as a non-controllers kind of machines also we can able to get. And also we have more experience in plant level and enterprises level IoT solution and consultant. Like a plant level means there will be a minimum number of variants, whereas enterprises level means there will be a n number of variants, and also there will be a process will be difference. There even OE pharma also difference. The different challenges there. That level of applications also we have done, and we have a consultant and we have executed. And also we have developed and executed 100 plus IoT solutions across India. And also we have developed our own IoT gateway to our standard solutions, standard IoT solution for the MSMEs and SMEs for the affordable pricing reasons. And also we have created our own skill center for IoT and robotic solutions for the industries and students for their skill improvements. That kind of solutions also we are giving. So these are our company overview. So I now getting into the agenda. So before so these slides, like why need to go for the digitalization. Yes. So here actually before that I just want to recall what are the scenarios, what in our surroundings happens past 20 to 30 years. So if you taken any kind of things, actually completely it was digitalizing. Say example, if you taken communications, initially we are sending a letters and emails and WhatsApps. Now it was online call. So everyone immediately connecting now. So I can easily connect with you all in this technology. And also if you take an information in before past 20 to 30 years, there was a limited access. We can't able to we depending on something. It will take more delay. But recent days, the internet era, there was a lot of information is there. So like search engine help us, and then AI technology help us. Now multiple AI we have, and also generative AI also we are doing. We are getting into the solutions like that. Actually, banking sector, if you taken in before that money transaction, we will take a 1 day like that. But now even myself actually, I'm not even getting pocketing money in my pocket purse. Maximum I done in Google Pay, like digital payment only. Like that actually, if you taken a shopping, there was a completely digitalized. If in before that 20 to 30 years, we need to buy a chair or table, we need to go to the vendor place, and then we will compare, and then we will take more time like that. But now that Amazon and Flipkart, a lot of shop commerce services there, we can easily able to compare what is the price, what is the features difference, we can easily get. Like that also, if you taken a food and delivery, groceries, pick up and drops, material movements, all are in doorsteps. Completely it was digitized surrounding us. Like that also, translations, video making, and nowadays like AR and VR help more supportive for the car driving without any accident. We can using the AR VR, we can easily learn the car driving. And also like operation theaters, even doctors in operation theaters using the AR VR, so reducing the multiple murders. And then war scenarios, even the war scenarios also digitalized nowadays. So they can get more realistic data, and then they can easily adapt it, even the war whenever it's come. Like that also, we have so many digitalized in environmental monitoring, like we can predict the rain, predict the cyclone, where it was moving, and also predicting the earthquake. All are actually maximum saving the peoples. What more, I mean, better technology surrounding us, it was completely giving a better a good quality of life, all those things actually. due to the importance of now Indian government majorly focusing on cities as a smart cities and manufacturing sector as a smart manufacturing. Even Indian government also maximum focusing on this same scenario. If you turn this, all the examples will be a single word, that is a technology. So the technology is the only mantra. It will give intangible benefits to the world, entire world. So now the question is to us, actually yours. So actually, how many of you us we know what is the last 1 hour our factory performance, like production and the maintenance and the quality aspects? What are the data we have in our mobile? Even nowadays we can able to track the food when it was come, when it was orders, how many time it was taken. That data we can able to monitor. But in our company, what is the data going on? That is a maximum manufacturing MDs facing the same scenario challenges. And also, what will be the real capacity of our production capacity? I mean, our machine shop, not by the books. For what is the real capacity that we need to analyze? And also, are we reaching our production capacity every day in a plant level, department level, machine level? Or if we are losing, means where is the loss occurring? That we have a data as a solid state data, not from book, not from manual data. Not expecting, but this digital data I expecting. What is the real scenario? And also, are we working for the satisfying our customers? Even some nowadays, actually, if the food delivery was getting 5 minutes delay, we are giving 2 star. All of us, we are in that manner only we are living. But same scenario in our customers, actually daily basics we are satisfying or not through with our digitalization technology. Lot of the technology is available. That's what I getting into this point. And also, are we have better transparency with our team, like a manufacturing team and maintenance team and quality production planning team, without any no blaming culture, no complaining mode, like that we have a better transparency is also one of the major questions. And also, what is the per quantity energy consumption? If you are producing same production order, same quantity, same size, what is the today energy consumption? What is the previous 1 week or 1 month before the energy consumption? In this energy consumption was increasing or decreasing? Is the data we have analyzing? And also, what is the real downtime? How we are going to approach reduce the systematic manner to the downtime? How we can reduce? These are all the major questions in our factory. Maximum MDs are asking me. These are the major pain points. So that only the digitalization coming into the picture. So in this digitalization, we have a lot of benefits is there. But why this digitalization means these four is our major attraction point. That's what I shared here. Like a streamlined production process. So like digital tools facilitate automation and real-time monitoring and control the manufacturing process. This lead streamlined operations, reduced downtime, and increased overall efficiency, both foundry and die casting process. So if we have recently done so many projects, so there was actually from the manufacturing, from production order receiving itself, we are completely digitalized. Some of companies we have done. So what is the real bottleneck? What is the area we need to focus? What is the planning and execution? Are we reaching our real capacity of the machines? Those all data, all answers will be, we are giving the solutions. And also data driven decision making. Yeah, if actually we have done one project in one of the big industries in Chennai based company. Based on our OE data, now they are moving one factory into the single one location to the another locations. This kind of data, this kind of decisions, they are taken by the data only. So in before that they have a lot of thought process, but after the data collections, they are getting more confident, and then they are moving the one factory from here to Hyderabad. So that is also bigger decisions we can able to get the data from the machine data. And also improved product quality, like early detections. Whenever the maybe unquality product producing, early detections and streamlined process, and also that escalation matrix will help for the quality improvement in tremendously. Maximum we can able to easily predict at earliest possible. And also cost reductions. So what is the per quantity cost we are consuming? What will be our target? How we can able to reduce the cost, manufacturing cost? What is the cost tree? Where is maximum accommodated? How we can able to approach as a systematic manner, and how we can able to reduce the cost. So these are all major benefits we can able to getting into the get from the digitalization support. So now I changing my slides. So actually we have done so many projects in different industries, but in this presentation I'm going to share your related industries. What are the solutions we have done that I love to share. So there was totally 7 case studies I have listed out. First one was Foundry production monitoring, Foundry production or OE monitoring, and second one was energy monitoring systems. Third one was condition-based monitoring. Fourth one was computerized maintenance management systems. How the maintenance department work digitally, how the machine help converting into the digitally, how the energy cost going in digitally, and also how the production is going into digitally, and also how the raw stores and supply chain management as a working as a digitally warehouse management systems. And this is actually metal calling system as a one of the project we have done in one company located in Coimbatore. That application case study I love to share. Similarly, we have done one automation projects in vision-based solutions for the filter available or not. That kind of solution also we have done. These are all the 7 case studies I love to share in these presentations. So first, I'm going to present the Foundry production and OE monitoring systems for the OE monitoring solution architecture, how it was work. So I will share the architecture first. There was a different machines are in your factory, like molding machines, die casting machines, core shooter machines, and also sandblast machines. Different machines are there, and different operators also there. Operator 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. So here from the machines we are collecting the 2 kind of mode. One was machine data, and another one was operator data. If the machine data means actually machine runtime, machine downtime, machine produced quantity, maybe machine's downtime it means we may interlock the machine for the downtime reason selections, and also production or open closing. That time also we can able to interlock the machines. All those data machine interface will be done through different method. So I preferring this method as a simple architecture. Why? Because we have don't not much time, but we have a different solutions. This is one of the ways we can able to get the data. So we can able to put a PLC, we can able to put some OPC servers, and also we can able to collect. So like this manner, I putting simple first architecture. We can able to connect the data from the machine to this gateway. Whenever we have done actually a molding machine, same design as molding machines in one of the Coimbatore based company, there was actually some arm movement is there. In that arm movement, we can able to get the relay output. In this relay output, we are getting connected to our gateway. In this gateway, we'll store the data as a time based, like RTC based, and also it will send the data to the Ethernet or Wi-Fi or 4G through the cloud or our local PC also we can able to do. So this is the machine wise machine data collection method. And another one was operator data collections. In this operator data collections means like what is today's plan. So that plan may be in priority level, priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. So on this priority level, we have materials available or not. That is one thing. And same the manner actually, if operator daily morning come and then he will enter the this particular operator ID, and then he will getting the what is the daily autonomous checklist he have to do. He will select OK, not OK like that. After that, he will run the machine. So before the run the machine, he want to select the particular production order. So once production order he was selected, that machine will be enabled to run. So the particular operator will run the machine against the production order. Say example 100 quantity is the target. Once the 100 quantity is reached, it will be not run the machines. We can able to interlock. And also machines if stopped means there will be a minor stoppage and major stoppage. If it's a minor stoppage, not like a 5 minutes means more than 5 minutes it went, we must operator must select the downtime reasons. Might be a 16 big losses or different scenarios we can able to give, and then the operator must enter the loss code. So after the loss code entry only he can able to run the machines. Like that manner also in every production order completions he have to enter the how many quantities are rejected. Rejection is there. That also we need to get the data from this monitor itself. So these are all the different data collections. One was machine data collection and another one was operator data collections. In these 2 data we can able to process in our cloud or our local PC, and then we can able to view in web application and also tab, and also mobile also we can able to view. So this is actually one scenario. Like that also we can able to get the data from the die casting machines, core shooter machines, sandblast machines. We have done these all the machines in our past scenario, and also we have done 60 plus different kind of machines also we have done for the data collection, different data collections. So this is actually our Foundry monitoring dashboard. We have done as a OE monitoring as a enterprises level also, and also specifically as a Foundry monitoring, we have done this kind of solution also. Like this is the Foundry total. What is the target molds? What is the mold produced? What is the number of mold ports? What is the number of mold bad molds? And also who are the operators? Like that manner also they can able to monitor. And also what is the production order, the assignment sheet, and also what is the operator login screens. So there was a multiple number of operators he can enter like this. Like this also we have a solutions. Similarly, we have a like employee masters and component masters, and also production masters, and also cycle time masters. These are all different dashboard have shown here. This is actually especially for the Foundry, but in our general companies we have a different dashboard that will be a complete scalable product. Like you can able to select company level, BU level performance, and the plant level performance, and also like department, group, and machine and operator level also you can able to view in a different aspect. So it completely covers runtime, stop time, produced quantity, downtime reasons. All those data we have captured in that particular software. And also we can do complete analysis of the shift wise, day wise, week wise, month wise, year wise also we can able to completely analysis how many, what is the downtime is bigger downtime, what is the downtime Pareto, what is the rejection Pareto. All those data we can able to completely collect from there. And also what is the MTTR machine wise, what is the MTBF machine wise, and which operator is performing well, what is the cycle time. All those data we can able to completely analyze. We have communicated this our OE software in different machines like CNC, VMC, lathe, injection molding, welding stations, and also like assembly stations, and paint shop, furnace, foundry monitoring, foundry. All those data we can able to connecting with our software from the machines, and then we can able to real time analysis we can able to monitor. So this is actually our major solutions we have done in Foundry and other industries. Here also we have like a real-time visibility and data-driven decision making. All the benefits will be taking care of these solutions. Like we can able to identify where the loss is major, and then we can focus on specifically. We can give a task to the department level. They so that they will be doing like that solutions. And then after 1 week we can reduce the major downtimes. Like operation downtime, like machine downtime, mechanical downtime, electrical maintenance. We can able to predict the loss, and then we can able to act the loss, and then we can able to reduce the loss. That kind of solutions in this Foundry monitoring and also OE monitoring will help you give you solutions. Like also we have benchmarking kind of solutions also we have. So I will move on next slides. So using our OE software, what are the benefits customer getting? I have listed some of the points over here. There will be one of customers, they have a plan to improve 15% of the demand needs. They want to buy the 6 machines that what will be a 7 crore. That customer will be a Mohali customer, one of the Chennai based company only. They have based on I mean this particular machines purchase was completely cleared from the VP level. Also it was cleared after the MD data. MD view the both the data. One was what is the OE of the real time data, and then what is the machine investment cost, that 7 crore rupees. But based on this data, he was completely dropped that machine purchase plan. He was actually, why? Because that already machine was performing only 33 to 40% of OE only. Why we need to purchase new machines? Why we need to invest this 7 crore rupees for this particular 15% need? Why? Because the same product only you are developing. Why we need to invest those things? So next 2 years you no need to come with this proposal. Only this machine itself you need to get the real time output. So same like that actually. After our OE implementation, one of our customers, there was actually nearly 1,500 tons producing extra per month actually. That is actually big industry, steel tube manufacturing companies. They are getting both benefit out of it. And also our next scenario was actually no downtime during the shift change. So now MD completely view the every data, every time data. So whenever the shift change, there will be a loss, means this loss will be, he will drill down complete detailed manner, which operator is taking more time, why this shift changeover time was, there was a late start, early go, why this was half an hour happening as every machine wise. He was completely take the data, he was completely analyzing, he will give the knowledge to the VP and the plant in charge. Now all are involved in this particular major downtime, so the downtime was completely reducing. So whenever nowadays in this particular company, next shift their particular operator coming means, he will previously he will come to the machine itself and then he will ready to continue the machines without any shift changeover. Like that also the manner we have done. And also one of our company has actually stopped the night shift actually. After our OE implementations, there was a second shift and third shift. That OE was, total OE was only 44%. After this OE analysis, MD given direct instruction to the plant here, no need to run the third shift. If you want to people, you can get it from the third shift to second shift. You can complete your work orders from the second shift itself. The third shift should be in completely shut down. So in this data need to push to the marketing and sales team, getting the new orders. So this is the direct orders, mean inputs given to the by management. And also OE improvement results increase after our OE implementations. There will be a minimum level of 16 to 20% of OE will be increasing every organization. That will help for the company revenue as well. And also no more frequent downtime. Even if one of the company we have actually, there was draw bench is there, whenever the draw bench cycle time will be a 2 to 3 minutes. The operator, once it was completed means, he will loading the particular product to the machine means, he will went to the nearby machines and then he will talk to the he will take some time and then he will come his own time and then he will putting into the next job. So after our OE implementations, there will be a minor stoppage was huge in this particular drawbridge. So the MD involved in this particular area, why this downtime was happening. So he will completely analyze and then he will give a direct strict instruction to the operators. There was no any minor stoppage. We need to run a machine continuously. So the operators also now complete aware of that, and then they are completely running the machines. Whenever the particular production order is complete means, he will ready to the particular component and he will loading. So the machine, there will be no frequent downtime. That is also one of the major benefits. And also after our OE implementations, we are giving like motivate operators for the operator incentives basis. Like if operator performing 80% above means, he can get some incentive credits. So like that manner, operators are motivated and then they are interested to work together. Whenever the maybe problem occurs, he will take it as own issues and then he will sort it out. Also he also trying to sort it out. Like that also we have a in before our OE monitoring, some operator may produce 100 quantity in a shift, but there was a good quantity will be only 85. So what operator may did, actually the only I was producing 85 only, so I don't have any rejection quantity. Like that he will told and then he will hiding the particular rejections. After our OE implementations, there will be a completely data will be a complete monitorable. So how many quantities we have produced, how many quantities there was rejections, how many the product went to the scrap. All those data we can able to monitor. So like that awareness also given to the operators. Now they are all are in a single platform, single way. So no any data exchange or data changes. Like that also we have more benefits. These are other ROIs like ERP systems. One of customer using ERP systems, nearly 15 users in a plant shop floor. After OE implementations, that every users they are spending nearly 1,40,000 rupees for the every user per year. So after OE implementations, MD strictly given knowledge to the no need to use any ERP systems in our premises. Only digital software is enough to collect the data from the machine on the operator. So this complete will be a reducing the ERP integrations and then they are getting benefit out of it. And also cultural change. After our OE implementations, actually one of our maintenance person, I meet them and then they are giving some input. In before that, they have preparing for the month MRM meeting for the lot of blaming point to the other departments. After this, our OE implementation, now he was taking his report within a second and then he will analyze this. There will be our exact losses. So he was accepting, not blaming to others. Yes, the mistakes is my, yes, the mistakes may be other department. So what support I can do for the other department, what do for my issues, to sort it out this issue into the next month. That kind of insights also created by the completely cultural change also done. This will be a more benefit to the entire organization, every organization. And also the data transparency to the contractors and unions will be a completely transparent, transparency. So everyone can aware of that, what is our real scenario, how we can contribute our company success, and then how we can get the benefit out of it. That the manner they are thinking right now. And also what is the actual cycle time, and also for production orders making benchmark. So this is actually one of the exciting example. Actually, after OE implementations, one of the customers getting nearly 120% of OE, near maximum 100% plus OE. Why? Because there will be AR and PR will be a 60 to 40 like that. But the PR rating was 120, 140 like that it was shown. So that actually their OE was completely high. After our OE implementations, there will be a cycle study, cycle analysis they have done, so that they can completely predict in particular production they are running means in before that the design cycle time was 1 minute, but they are running in 30 seconds. After these implementations, it was real time data we can able to get that every 30 seconds we are running. So that is will be a design cycle time as a benchmarking MD guided. So whenever the next operator same the particular production order or same the particular component produced as a 26 seconds, that will be a benchmarking. That will be a complete organization towards reducing the production cost, production time, and then they are saving, and then revenue getting out of it. Like that also documentation work was reduced at 25%, and UPS realization, customer interactions. Some foreign customers visiting their premises, they are now proudly presenting their digitalization platform, and then customers also getting attracting their process, their systematic approach, and then they're getting some orders from that manner. So this is our first solutions we have done. So many foundry industries and so many manufacturing sectors. So I will moving to next slide, next case study, second case study. So case study number 2 was actually energy monitoring systems architecture. There will be a energy monitoring is a different way we can able to get the data. One was Ethernet, and another one was Wi-Fi, and also some 4G based on also we can able to get the data. So our energy monitoring solution will be a way based on Android based solutions we have done, and also we can integrate with your any kind of existing energy meters. We not expecting same meters like the same Schneider only need not required, same Siemens only we not required. Any kind of energy meters with RS485 is there means we can able to get the data. That is major benefit using our solution. And then also we have integrated like energy, not only energy, electrical energy, we can able to monitor the water consumption level, and also steam and air consumption, LPG and diesel consumption, and the compressor and the induction furnace wise what is the energy consumption. All those data we can able to monitor using this particular gateways, and then this gateway will connect those data, and this data will send to the cloud or local premises as particular server PC, and then we can able to see the dashboard in Android and app applications like that. And also our software completely scalable only, like a company level and BU level, plant level, department level, group level, machine level also we can able to monitor. And also in the same software can generate automatic email reporting to the end of the shift. And also we can able to integrate with in Vivo. Before I have shared the OE monitoring, now we can able to integrate OE monitoring solutions. So we can able to get the production or wise energy consumption data, and also per quantity wise also we can able to get the what is the energy consumption, average energy consumption also we can able to get. So we can get energy wastage due to the sometimes maximum furnace, maximum foundry companies wasting for the superheat. Whenever the particular furnace was completed this heating capacity of 1500 degree, sometimes that maybe machine may be problem in that machine, or like a crane or molding machines or any pattern issues. In that case actually furnace need to be superheated particular component. There will be a large of actually energy will be wasted. That also we can able to monitor, and then we can giving as a data with whenever the superheated what is the energy consumption. These are all how we can able to reuse that data. We can able to monitor, and also we can able to track and trace what energy consumption, like the same production order and running in this month, next month, and previous month. All those data we can able to monitor. This is, which is increase or decrease. That like that also we can able to monitor. And also after our like in the kind of energy monitoring implementations, we can avoid the EV penalty. Also like energy power quality issues also we can able to short it down. So those major benefits we can getting out of this energy monitoring systems. I can share the next slides for how the dashboard will be seems like. So this is the our energy, how it comes enter into our factory, and then how it was splitting into different shed, and how it was utilizing into different machines. What is the energy consumption? Like that also we can able to complete different dashboards we have. These dashboards will guide you how the energy was conservating for the different shed, different product wise, different machine wise. Also we can able to monitor. Like that actually we have a energy monitoring system. Also we have a better ROI, actually reduce energy consumption and optimize the usage. So here actually if you take like a bathroom or any water tap is there, sometimes if you missing proper closing, there will be a drop of water, but water are not spending too much of cost, where our electricity there are charging every unit based on the traffic time, that peak time. Also they are giving a double triple kind of cost also. That is a major pain point. So we need to completely monitor actually. Even in my point of view, actually even 1 rupee also should be accountable in every organization. That 1 rupee will be a benefit, some paisa to the entire organization, each and every one. So here actually what we have given the target for the maintenance department. This shed will be consuming more energy. You can come with some plan how we can reduce the energy. So in before that he will read the data every shift and only, but now he can monitor every minute. So he can analyze where the energy consumption are high. So he can set the limit tolerance. But in this particular shed, it was increasing this particular energy conservations. It will give some alerts, so that he will went to the particular place, and then he will analyze where the energy consumption was high, and then he can analyze the machine level also, where we are loading the particular machines, and then like that manner also he will study, and then he will take preventive actions, and then he can able to reduce the energy conservations in that manner. We like that also we can able to give a target for the maintenance department, maintenance engineer level also we can able to track plan. And also like if some machines we are purchasing means there will be some designed energy consumption they will be provided. So but we may forget over the period it will be increasing the energy consumption. So maybe the misalignment of the pulley or motors, these can many reasons may occur. So we can able to predict why the energy consumption was high, where we can able to reduce the energy consumption. That also one of the major benefits. So that is also we have done so many cost savings solutions. And also like a demand response optimization. So like if any particular companies actually like a demand, there will be a demand actually 100% means 100% consumption means after our analysis there are using only 40% to 60% of energy only. Okay, so they are giving letter to the EB, and then they withdraw their deposit amount from 100% to 70%. Now whenever the load increase was above the 60%, it will give alerts. So direct benefits to the finance team, and then they are getting 20 they get from the 20 lakhs from the EB, and then their interest also very minimum level for this investors. So that is also major benefits we have done through our energy monitoring system solutions. And also equipment based, the critical parameter also we can assign, like if any particular energy means like a harmonics or power factor or any particular parameter increasing means that EB will giving a penalty for the harmonic maintenance, not maintenance that level. That kind of parameters it will be, sometimes it may increasing means in this energy monitoring systems immediately give alerts, and then maintenance or electrical engineers can take immediate actions, and then they can reduce it, so that they can get no never 100% never getting penalty from the EB. That is also major benefits from the energy monitoring systems. and also like resource optimization. So in my knowledge, actually maximum companies almost nearly per day 1 hour they are spending for the energy data readings capturing. So he will went to the particular energy meter level, and then he will wait for the particular kilowatt hour was changing. That time he will note the particular notebook, and then he will come back in, and then he will enter to the Excel, and then he will send to the report to the management. In this data, maximum it was taken nearly 1 hour per day. It's a minimum level only, I think. Maximum companies they are taking 1.5 hours, 2 hours also they are taking. So this resource optimization also we can able to done, and then within a second itself. If a shift changing was a shift closing or 5 o'clock means, it 5 o'clock our software completely get the data from the energy meter. What is the today energy consumption? What is the yesterday energy consumption? What is the overall consumption for the shift for the day for the machine? Also we can able to give a email alerts to the top management. So like that solutions also we have done so many companies. So enhanced regulatory compliance, actually like we are doing like ISO and some other like certifications means they will be expecting this kind of solutions. So that will be a help for the auditing, energy auditing also in this particular data will be more helpful. So this is our second solution. I jumping into our third case study. So this is actually case study number 3. This is actually condition-based monitoring or machine health monitoring systems. So recently we have done one of the projects in Coimbatore-based company for the Foundry and Diecasting machine same. Actually in this Foundry there was actually temperature and current electrical parameter, voltage, current, kilowatt, and harmonics, power factor. All those data we are getting, and also vibrations and oil level, pressure. Almost nearly 30 plus parameters we are getting from these particular machines. So in this data we have getting from existing controller, machine controller, or the new controller we are putting some level. Actually we are putting new controller, and then we are getting the data from the sensor to our this controller. In this data pushed to the Ausweg gateway, and then gateway will be pushed to the cloud or local software, and then like that actually we can able to view the complete software in a single PC in entire factory. So like that manner we have done in some die casting, and the core shooter machine also we have done. So in this particular what this software done means, every plant level there will be a critical machines is there. In this every critical machine wise we can track the critical parameter like vibrations, temperature, pressure, oil analysis, and also current and power consumption, sound analysis, ultrasonic analysis, torque, speed, chemical composition, also environment monitoring. All those data we can able to monitor from the machine and the surrounding of that particular machines, and then we can able to give the particular tolerance limit every particular parameter. Whenever the parameter was exceeding or exceeding means, it will give automatic alerts to the particular hierarchy burst, so that the particular concerned person will come to the machine, and then he will adjust those things, and then he will run the machine in immediate basis. So that is a major advantage of these particular solutions. And also we can able to in this using this software we can reduce unplanned downtime, and also improve visibility and of safety complaints and more. That will be a major helpful for this particular software. This software seem like this actually. If you taken as a single, there will be a actually this is actually real time one of the company we have done. There will be a different machines they have connected in this software. So totally how many machines are there, how many machines are in good conditions, how many machines are in bad conditions, how many machines are running in warning conditions, and also if he want to particularly enter the single machines means, like this actually the screen will become like if you taken as core shooter machines, there will be a what is the parameter view, what is the cycle time view, that can easily monitor what is the real time data, the data, what is the maximum tolerance, what is the minimum tolerance. Like that actually also they can monitor. If you taken a disarmage machines also we have done one of the company that there is a how many mold count is there, what is the pouring temperature, what is the pouring time, what is the electrical parameters, all those data, what is the live data, what is the minimum, what is the maximum, what is the average value, what is the alerts given whenever the increase deviating the tolerance limit, it will give the alerts. So totally how many alerts we are getting. So like that manner we can able to get in particular time also we can able to monitor in this. But if we are maybe getting some signals in night time for this particular temperature or pouring time was deviating, means we can get the data on morning shift, and then we can take a predictive actions. And also we have a time based maintenance also in this software was one of the better solutions. If you take a like any motor or contractors, there will be a some life cycle is there. If one contractor having like a 1 lakh cycle, then it will give alerts whenever the 90,000 cycles it was completed, means it was completely give a alert. So if you take any particular critical machines, there will be a critical equipment is there. So whenever the critical equipments you are changing, means you can set a target. So how many count I need to replace the particular contactor or relay or the motor or this particular any sensor level also. You can able to get like what is the target mode, what is the cumulative value, what is the alert limit. Once whenever the alert limit it was deviated, it will give the alerts notifications to the concerned persons. Like that manner also we have given. We can able to monitor the complete parameter, what is this parameters, the detailed parameter wise, what is the critical parameters data was showing, like that we can able to monitor. So I'm moving into next slide. So using our condition based monitoring, there will be a lot of benefits, ROI will be happen. Actually initially one of our customer, they are interested to put only 3 machines, same like your industries, same disarmage machine they have in Coimbatore factory. Initially they are putting only 3 machines. Now they are added nearly 15 critical machines in this software, same software. In the same software can completely reduce the downtime nearly 30%. Actually it will give alerts whenever the critical parameter exceeding, it will automatically give the alerts, and then they can plan and then they can immediately involving this particular issues, and then they are solving before the machine went to the breakdown. And also maintenance cost was completely maximum reduced, nearly 20% they have reduced. And also extended lifetime equipment lifetime also. So if you taken some gear or some rod is there, that will be sometimes abnormality loading, means it will be cause some bigger issues. So that actually after our these condition based monitoring installations, whenever the particular parameters or vibrations are deviating, the operator or the electrical engineer can find that particular reasons, and then they will be solved immediately, so that machines not damaging more level, that motors and gear pulse all is not damaged more level. That is also one of the major benefits they are getting. And also enhanced product quality also. If sometimes actually maybe operators may put extra load to the particular machines, or sometimes below load to the particular machines, so that may be cause like quality rejections, quality data deviations. That also we can able to monitor, predict, and then we can able to reduce those things. So which operator, which time their this particular product was run, why it was happen, that also we can able to monitor. This also quality aspects also, it will give more benefits using this software. And also inventory cost, the time based maintenance will give more benefit out of this inventory cost. Whenever the motor once was failure, they maybe buy two motors for the stack. We not required in this software we utilize, means we can whenever the time that it was reaching a maximum lifetime, and then but that particular time itself we can able to purchase the spare. So the cost will be a benefit for us. And also unplanned maintenance cost also completely reduced. These are all the major benefits of our condition based monitoring solutions. So I'm moving into another case study. So this is actually computerized maintenance management system, which is like both web-based and Android-based solutions. So this software completely scalable for the company, BU, plant, department, group level, machine level, maintenance engineer level, we can able to monitor. In this software, maximum there was a three things. One was asset management and work order management and preventive maintenance. These three things completely, which is the most important for the maintenance department. We are completely digitalizing those things actually. For if you take an asset management, when the equipment was purchased, where we have purchased, and then what are the drawing we need to maintain, what are the manuals we need to keep it as a soft copy. All those data we can able to store in this particular software. Like that also, what is if any work order generated from the production department or quality department or process department, means when the ticket was generated, who is the right person for the particular shift, who is attending that particular job order, work order, and also how many times he was taken, and then how it was completed. All those history we can able to track, like average response time, average completion recovery time. All those data we can able to getting this particular work order management software itself, like what is the MTTR, what is the MTBF. All those data we can systematically we can capture the data whenever the ticket rise, and then it was completely closed in a good manner, in a systematic manner. Like that also, whenever the one ticket was raised, that every maintenance engineer have to enter the that solution bank. What is the solution he had done? So that data also will be a more asset for the organizations. So whenever the maintenance engineer may change, so after the 1 year, some new person will come. In the time, he can refer what is the problems occurring in that particular work order, and then what are the preventive actions he was taken, what are the action taken, and then how the work order will be completed. So the data he can easily verify, and then he can immediately close the work order. So it will be more benefit to the maintenance department. So that is also one of the major solutions we have done. And also like inventory management, reporting and analysis, auditing, all those data, it's a complete maintenance department getting into the digital manner we can able to give. If also some new electrical or maintenance person joining in your organization, also he can read, he can get the knowledge of what are the machine wise histories there. All those history he can read, he can learn, and then whenever the problem comes, he can come to the machine, and then immediately he will solve the issues. That is also one of the major benefits. So like that also we have done. So these are all the screens actually for the whenever the asset. One second, screen was not updating. Is okay. So asset adding. If you want to asset adding, means there will be a when the asset, the what are the issues may happen, what are the service we need to do in this particular machine, and what are the spare we need to maintain, what are the document we need to maintain, what are the solutions we have done actually in past scenario, what are the issues happen, and what are the actions they have taken. All those data will be available in this particular page. And like that also we have a breakdowns. If you take a breakdown, means there will be a sim like this. There will be when the ticket was generated, which is accepted by the maintenance department or not, is ongoing process, how many tickets are there, is there acknowledged to the production department, and also it was closed or not. All those data we can able to monitor when it was generated, when it was completed, what is real time status, who was handling this particular tickets. All those data will be a complete transparency to the production and complete entire organization. And all like a preventive maintenance check sheet like this actually. What is the general check sheet, what is the task based check sheet, what are the spares we have changed, and also what is the log when it was started, when it was completed. All those preventive maintenance checklists we can able to do in this particular software. Like that also we have a transaction history report. All those data we can able to get the reports, like a transaction report and a call log report, what are the spare consumption weekly, daily or monthly, all those report, and what are the preventive maintenance we need to do, and what are the activities we have done. All those who has done, who is the best performer of this particular month as a maintenance engineer wise. Like that also we can able to get. And also asset scrap history and also log report. All those report we can able to getting in this particular software. So this is actually CMMS software benefits and ROI benefits. Like using our CMMS software, actually maximum customers getting more benefits. Directly they are getting nearly 15% reductions within 2 to 3 months actually for the unplanned downtime. Why? Because the systematic check sheet, systematic work order management will be give more resultant oriented and productivity improvement. That will be help to the maintenance department proactive manner. They will be complete those tasks, and also enhance labor productivity. So the labor will be can get what is the today task. He can automatically whenever the shift is login, he will know the what are the tasks we need to do. So he will do as a systematic manner, and also the time will be more saved. And also like he can able to learn the particular machines, what are the issues happen in past. So solution bank itself he can get the data, and then he can refer all those training also we can able to improve. And also energy efficiency also improvement. So using our CMMS software, we can able to get the target for the energy consumption for the maintenance engineers. They can track, they can analyze, they can improve, and then so that they can get some energy efficiency improvement activities also is there, and also product quality. So whenever we are completing on time, like a maintenance means, we can give a good product from the machines. That also will improve after our CMMS software, and also streamlined complaints reporting. So if you need like this pharma industries means there will be a 50 years they need to maintain the soft copy as a work order process. So using this software, actually they're completely systematic manner. There was a complete document is there, and also whenever once problem was completing means the operator or the maintenance engineer will close the ticket from the machine itself. So he can more insights. He can what is the real scenario, what is the problem we have addressed, what are the spare we have consumed, that machine itself he will complete the tickets. So he can more insights, and then he can enter those things. And if maximum company they are maybe using the logbook, maybe the Excel, larger Excel sheet. So in this larger Excel sheet, we can able to put the data, but we again retrack the data means that will be more difficult. Using this CMMS software, getting more benefits for this maintenance department, and also inventory management. So CMMS for the inventory tracks spares. So in particular critical machines, what minimum order quantity we have to maintain. So whenever the minimum order quantity is reached, it will give the alert to the purchase department, and then purchase department plan for the purchase for the particular critical spares. So that also as a systematic manner we can able to approach to the software, and then we can able to getting more benefit out of this CMMS software. So this is our another case study, which is actually warehouse management systems. So in this warehouse management system also we have done one of a software along with the Foundry unit. There was totally how many pallets are there, how many pallets are filled, how many pallets are empty. These screens will be seen like this. Like you can easily get the layout of the particular your warehouse, and also you can track the warehouse of the particular sorry, what is the report, product wise report, and also supplier wise report. All those data you can able to digitalize in this particular software. This is our one of the software. It's majorly moving into the other manufacturing companies. This is our another case study, actually, which is actually metal calling systems. So this is actually major benefit for one of customers we have done in Coimbatore, same customers. There will be a scrap yard. The scrap yard, actually there was a melting furnace is the input for the material charging. After the material transfer, the molding line actually it will the furnace, induction furnace will be heat the particular component. So that whenever there will be a 4 furnaces there, they will be heating the particular component based on this particular bin position, based on the position. So we have a putting on major like a bin. In this bin, what is the melted metal, actually what is the range is there, we are putting on extra pressure sensor over there. This pressure sensor, what is the limit is in this particular bin, he will, that sensor will track, and this data will given to the furnace monitoring person. There will be a one dashboard is there. The dashboard will be shown what is the current right now, what is the amount of melted mold is there. So in this particular melted mold, how many time it will take. So what is the required quantity, and then what is the minimum temperature, what is the maximum temperature, what is the item code they are running, what is the grade they are running. All those data we are completely digitalized. So this software we are integrating with furnace monitoring system, Foundry production monitoring systems. So based on the Foundry production monitoring systems, we can able to get the real-time data. So in this particular company, there was a Disamax and a HFM, and also AGM molding machine is there. There is German-based machines. In this particular furnace, whenever they're reaching the 1500 degree, it will be within 40 minutes. It will be reached. So after the 40 minutes, it was reached means that maybe crane problem, or the core problem, or the pattern problem, or the setting problem, or the molding line problem means that will be a major trouble for the electricity. Why? Because we need to supercharge of the particular melted component. We need to maintain the same temperature. So we need to again, like induction furnace was we are same load we are giving to the induction furnace, and then that energy loss will be a very huge. So that is a major challenges for this particular applications. After these applications, this furnace and molding the pour station was completely synchronized. So that is also major benefit we have done in this project. Past 2 years back, we have done this same project. It still is running very effective manner. So using this particular software, actually that synchronized with the furnace and pouring area will be completely digitalized, and then the transparency level was 100%. When the pouring area, the cabin was completely empty, whenever in that same time their furnace area knowing the transparency data, and then based on the data they are heating the furnace, and then here they was delivering into the component that melted mold to the line. So that is a major benefits. So nearly there was a 50% of percentage of productivity will be improved, and also reduce the electricity. Whenever the it's a problem comes, it will automatically immediately involve to the furnace department, and then they can backtrack and then take immediate action for these particular cost savings. So in the same software, we are tracking the energy for the every mold. Whenever the superheating means, what is the superheating level we are energy consumption was done, so that in that manner we can able to for a month how many unit was we have wasted, how for a week how many unit we have wasted. That also data given to the production department, and then they are taking as a corrective actions, though, so that they are getting more benefit out of it. That is also major one of the project we have done in one of Coimbatore based company. And also we have done another case study, that is actually vision based automation solutions. That after the discharge match, there was a mold will be go into the conveyor. In the conveyor they are putting on filter. That filter after the mold melted pour will be inserted to the particular area. So if any filter is not there, we are putting on color sensor. That color sensor give the knowledge to the controller, and then in this particular mode no need to drop the port, so that time will be very saved, and then also the quality of the data also production also we have done so much effectively. So that is actually cost effective solutions only. That is due to the customer document confidentiality, we are can't able to share the video. So these kind of automation solutions also we have done so many companies. So I almost coming to the nearly end to the solutions. So we have a experience more like a plant level and enterprise level IoT kind of solutions. So some customers, they are doing their IoT implementation on very effective manner. Some customer don't know how to start the IoT implementation, where we need to start, how we need to digitalize. So lot of challenges, lot of questions may occur. So for that, actually, I putting this slide. Actually, based on our experience, based on our knowledge, actually we are sharing those knowledge. Actually, we need to first level, we need to define the clear objective. The clear objective may be like operation efficiency improvement, or like reducing the downtime, or enhancing the productivity, or increasing the energy efficiency, or having clear objective. We need to define the objective. First line point was actually we need to define the objective of this project. So we are going to produce maximum product, or we are reducing the energy. So why? Because that industry wise it will be changed. If any process industries, there will be a energy will be a major issues, or some any software or productions company, the productivity will be a major objective. So the company to company, the objective will vary. That objective we need to clearly understand. Then only we can able to fit a fix a vision, and then based on the vision we can able to do the further activities. So this is the first point. And then we need to conduct a readiness assessment. Like a readiness assessment, it means what I tell means like in organization level, well, that existing infrastructure, how much it was enabled, like technology capability and also workforce skill. Actually we have manpower is there, and also identify the gaps. So all those data, this readiness we need to get. Like actually after this readiness assessment completed, we can able to develop a roadmap of the particular project. So where we are going to develop, so we may need to assign a team as a single team. That single team may be a cross-functional team also we need to assign, like quality level and maintenance level and production level and planning level, so we can able to assign the cross-functional team, and also IT team also maybe involving major companies. Like that manner, we can able to collaborate, and then we can able to put a roadmap for this particular project, and then how we are going to approach, how we are going to get a benefit out of it. And after that, actually select appropriate technology, like technology selections. In this technology selections mean like what kind of sensors we are going to put, what kind of connectivity we are getting the data, like connectivity solutions, and data analytical schools. What are the tools we are going to plan? If you are taking an analytical tool, means Power BI or other tools, what we are going to use, and also what database. If you take a database, what database we are maybe going to use for the future enhancement. So that thing actually we need to define initial level itself. And also if it is a cloud solutions, what cloud platform we are going to prefer, like AWS or Azure or any other third-party connection, cloud connections we are going to get. All those data we need to define. Like that also, if connectivity, if you are taken means like a machines level, we are different method we can able to get data. Some maybe area we are getting the data from the OPC server. There was some gateways also we can able to get the data, and PLC levels also we can able to get data. That we need to define clearly, so that only we can able to invest, we can able to plan what is our issues, what we are going to getting the solution out of it. Like operator data collection also, we need to define how the manner we are going to get the operator data, like a tab we are going to use, or PC or monitor we are going to use, or any HMI industrial PC which we are going to use. That we need to clearly define. The technology selection is one of the major important for this particular IoT executions. Once we are done, we can able to move to the next point. That will be like a collaborative with the partners. So in IoT solutions in market, lot of players are doing this same IoT solutions. So we need to maybe ensure in this particular partner having domain, either they have domain knowledge, or they have a experience, or they have a team size to do our scalable projects, and also what are the past success stories they have done in our similar companies, and also in that particular company software was completely scalable or not, and also what is the speed of the execution, and what is the pricing level approximate. I mean, usually we are coming to the pricing, what is the pricing level, and also what is the delivery time, and what is the what they have a consultant, and like a expertise level they have a team or not. We need to first level understand, and then we need to collaborate with the particular partners, so that IoT project will be going on very rapid manner, and then it will give some immediate fruits to the immediate manner. After this collaborate with your partner, you need to kickstart as a pilot projects, small projects. So you can learn from the pilot project. You can get a feedback from your teams, and then who are involved in that pilot project, and then you can share the information this out of this project. What are the benefits we are going to get? You can share the knowledge to your entire organization, and also your entire who are involved in the project. So they are also getting some more confident. So in this project will be help major benefit for this our future. So they can also completely involve, and then they are giving their maximum effort, and then we can able to get the maximum benefit out of this particular project. Like that also, we need to, after this pilot project, once it was successful, we can able to scale up. Scale up means like once the pilot project have proven successfully, scale up the IoT implementation across the entire manufacturing facility, and or multiple manufacturing facilities. Ensure that scalability is the key considerations throughout the implementation process. So might be if recently we have done on projects in as a enterprises level, so their MD vision was completely clear. Their initial focus was OE is the key parameter that I need to monitor first level. After we have completed within a 6 month short period, it's a complete 23 factory. They are getting into the more confident. They are moving into the energy. So energy is their second priority. So energy and OE is a major role. After that, they are going to implement the CMMS software, like a maintenance department and the quality. These kind of solutions, their upcoming plans. So that is the scale up level of manner we can able to plan based on our business needs, based on our company capabilities. After that, actually, this is actually more important that after planning for this IoT implementation, this is the key parameter also. We need to monitor keenly, and also we need to review the KPIs on regular basis. So like actually use performance matrix like quantify the impact of efficiency and quality and key areas like sometimes we may deviate the projects of the vision. Sometimes maximum peoples they are giving their level of priority, they are giving their level of inputs to their level of operations. So that maybe will be challenge for the maximum company. So based on this MD vision, based on the team and roadmap, we need to go the phased manner, so that we need to monitor on keep on every monthly level. So after that, it will be a complete fruitful solution will be a getting out of it. So after our one of our customers, we have done initially they have done first 2 months. The MD was completely reviewing on monthly manner, means that after that actually they realized that the BU head was every 15 days that meeting will be happening for the what are the improvements we have done or not, all those data. After that, plant head weekly manner he will done. After the department head 2 days once he was done, and also group head daily he was done, and also operator daily end of the shift he will realize what is this is my performance, this is the productivity we have done today, what are the improvements points I have given, I am achieved or not. All those data he will given to the particular software, and then he will check out a particular shift. So once we are monitoring these IoT solutions, so complete as an organization level, all are getting more thoughtful, and then they are using our software. I mean, they are utilizing their software, and also they are also getting operator also getting more benefit out of it. So this is the correct way to execute Industry 4.0 for every organizations. We also learn so many things from the same executions. So I'm coming to the Q&A. So I taking more time. I think time now 4 o'clock. Sorry for the extra time I consuming. So you can ask.
Not an issue. Yeah. It's very good presentation, sir. And I would request members, if you have any questions, you may unmute yourself and ask question, or put your question in the chat. Arul sir, I have my question, because I'm also a little bit connected with this industry. Of course, we are into different domain. See, the one challenge would be, I think the latest machines are coming with all IoT connected, right?
Yes, sir.
See, when the machine comes in and it has got us all the facilities, but how do you manage with the existing machines? Suppose you talked about any machines for that matter. How do you manage to convert them to the IoT compatible? Because every manufacturer has got their own design and different versions.
Yes, sir. So actually, we have recently done some projects, similar kind of thing. In the particular company, only 20 to 30% of machines only compatible for the IoT connections. Why? Because there only the PLCs they are available. But remaining machines are all completely manual. And some machines they have a controller, but the controller was completely locked. That program backup was maintained by the Japanese supplier, so they couldn't give that program backup. So in that manner, we are collecting the data from machines as a movement. If you take a hydraulic press machines, means there will be only single stroke. We are putting one sensor from the up and down for the stroke movement. We are putting a small gateway or small PLC. In the PLC, will collect that data. What is the movement? Arm movement is there, and that movement based, we are getting the what is the runtime, what is the downtime. That runtime data is more than enough for the doing the first level of OE monitoring, sir. After that, if any machines they want to do the machine monitoring, like the health monitoring means condition based monitoring means, we will prefer like a 2 to 3 different sensors, and then we can able to collect the temperature data. If some customers may require temperature data, but we can't able to put that temperature on the machines. We putting the sensor in away, and then we are sending the RF waves, and then we are getting the temperature data, and then we are giving data to the cloud or our software. That kind of manner also we have done. Similarly, if the Japanese machine I told you now, that there was actually a controller is there, but the data was completely, the program back was completely locked. So in that manner also we are getting the data from the signal from the relay. That relay was completely actually potential free only. So in this relay, never deviate, never give the trouble to the controller or any of their electric systems. So that is a technically proven 100%. So we can able to get the real-time data from the relay itself. So we can consult, we can give a solution based on the dependency machine parameters. So that like that manner also we have done. And also one more thing, sir. Actually, you have said actually in some now newer machines they have a enabled IoT enabled kind of solutions. One of our customers actually same they have monitor all 50 machines in our software for the OE monitoring. But in that particular company, maintenance persons actually, but a single machine only, they are actually giving a different report for the particular machines. Why? Because he was invested so many amount for the nearly 3 lakh rupees for this particular features, and then he was getting the machine data from out of that particular gateway. So MD given see the particular two different reports, but what MD, what organizations are looking means they need a complete in single system, sir. Then only they can review as a complete as a department level. So or else it's a given different data. It's given different data means it also will give you a more trouble. So we can't able to real analysis. So what MD told you directly throw away that particular data. Only we need to connecting this software. So I need to monitor all those data in single platform. Then only I can give more insights. I can give an action plan for you. So like that manner also we have done, sir, for the real time case I have shared.
That means we basically you have to based on the machines you need to study, and then according to the customer need you will put required sensors and the gateways and take the data. That's what you will
Yes,
do.
sir. Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
One way
that's
was
great.
electrical signal, and another one way was communication. If you need data available in the controller itself, we can
Yeah.
get the data from a controller through Modbus TCP/IP or RS485, and then we can read the data, and then we can store the data in the particular gateway, and then that gateway will push data to the cloud.
That's great. That's great. Audience, any questions? For die casting, any particular industries you have done overall IoT configuration, die casting, aluminum, non-ferrous?
Sir, in specifically in die-casting non-ferrous industries, we not completely done as a digitalization. We have done some department level, some machine level IoT we have done.
Okay,
But as a we have done different companies like one of our customers called actually Murugappa Group. There was a different BUs is there. Different machines we have connected to our softwares. That is possible based on customer needs only. We are giving support, sir. We are giving solutions. We are not pushing our entire software to the customers. Why? Because their business need will be different. That's what.
okay, you are supplying the support on SaaS model or one-time purchase model?
So both we have.
Both you
Some
have.
actually
Okay.
yes, both we have. One was actually some big customers. They have a strong infrastructure. They have a strong IT team in-house. They have a strong maintenance team in-house. So the data loss will be completely not occurred. In the cases, we can able to support as a on-premises basis. So they can easily without any data missings, they can able to get the data. Whenever the problem comes, they will address it. Some companies, some MSMEs or some kind of small level of companies, they don't have that facilities. They have a IT team maybe in a shift time only. They have a maintenance team in a particular day or particular time only. Sometimes their leave means the data loss in that occurring in the particular time means we can't able to get the real time data. So as a cumulatively we can't able to monthly, we can't able to review. In that case, we are giving our cloud-based solutions. So as a SaaS model also we are approaching in this space.
Cloud, which server you're using?
So
AWS?
we are using AWS, sir, Amazon Web Service.
Yeah. Fine.
Yes.
Gentlemen, if you have any queries, request you to unmute yourself and ask question or put your questions in the chat. Our time is 16:09. Maybe we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes. If no
Also,
further
sir,
questions, then we'll go for closure of this meeting.
also, I love to share that readiness assessment to you, sir, personally. You can circulate your team members on Monday so they can real time what is their infrastructure is ready or not. Those kind of activities they can do from there itself.
Okay, that's true. That's true. This maintenance software, what you have explained, it was looks like very elaborative, and then this thing. What is your customer base for this?
Yes, actually, in this maintenance software, we have implemented on different companies. So if you're plant level, actually we have recently done one project in Arul Lab. There was a majorly 2 departments and nearly 500 plus machines they have connected in our software, and then they are utilizing more efficient manner. That is one thing. And also as an enterprise level, we have given our software to the tube products of India. There was actually totally 6 plants in that particular company, in this particular BU. In the 6 plant, they are using our CMMS software for the work order booking, and also asset management, also preventive activities, preventive maintenance, those kind of activities done from that.
Basically, this is a generic software which can be used for any industry.
Yes,
right?
yes, which can be used for any industries, even hospitals also we can able to use. Any industries we can.
You are also gave the interface to maybe after completion of the things through any kind of app, or it's only a PC based or cloud based.
Which is both actually. We have this is actually cloud based only, which is same web app and Android app is available. So web app we can able to enter all those things in a single time, and also we can able to review, we can able to monitor, we can able to add on displays in this particular department itself. Web app is most preferable. After that, even every maintenance engineers, they having an Android app. In that Android app, they can able to completely monitor what are that engineer wise having ownership of machines, and machine wise what are the activity they have to do on daily basis, on weekly basis, on monthly basis, and also what is the preventive activities and the checklist, what are the things they need to do. All those data also available, sir.
You have connected your IoT, but you are saying condition-based monitoring and time-based monitoring. That alerts also integrated with this software in case if customer is having that solution as well as this one, that is integrated.
Yes, sir. This all software we can able to integrate. Same if you are taking CMMS software along with CBM means you can able to integrate, so that particular critical machines, who is the particular maintenance engineer, whenever the deviates is occurring, it will automatically give not escalation matrix to the particular engineer, and also it will give to the knowledge to the maintenance management, and also management level person also want to that same escalations input also we can able to assign. So this is both we can able to integrate. Same like manner also we can energy monitoring system also we can able to integrate with the CMMS as well as CBM software. So whenever the electrical parameter deviating the particular tolerance limit, it will automatically giving alerts to the top management as well as their department head and maintenance engineers. And also we can able to integrate our OE software with the energy monitoring systems. So you can able to track what is the production order wise energy consumption. So that also we can able to track. So per quantity wise energy consumption also we can able to track.
That's great. That's great. Hope it has got a multi-layers, like maybe management level or super that particular department level. It has various, maybe based on the user level, it can give the data, throw the data, right? That's facility
exactly
there.
Yes. Only the operator enter means he will only see their level of data screens only. So if a manager view means actually that manager view will completely their operators on the machines will be seen. When it was as a BU level, it was completely BU level of screens also available, sir. So like that manner only our software was constructed.
Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay, I think since there is no question, I think your presentation has clarified all the doubts. That's what I felt. There's no questions pouring in. Arul Vasagam sir, it's indeed very good presentation, and it's covered up in detail about the IoT and what are the possibilities in digitalization. And it's a tremendous job and done by you. I think I should appreciate you for this job. And definitely, I feel this industry should take benefit out of this solution. I'm sure that people would at least they would have understood what are the benefits out of these kind of solutions, what are the possibilities in the market, and so that even if not today, maybe tomorrow they will get into the implementation mode. As Athar has said that digitalization is a journey and it cannot done in overnight. You have to. He's rightly suggested that you have to go by stage wise. That would help for the implementation. And key factor which I would like to also, he has mentioned that the monitoring and ensure that it is being implemented at the field and the data are being viewed, and then give the importance for the process.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, that's very key takeaway. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for valuable presentation and time. And I also thank all the members who took their time and then participated in this webinar. And we from Chennai chapter conduct regular webinars on weekly basis. We will be sending the information on time to time. We request you to join and motivate us. And as we every time convey that we have our Chennai chapter YouTube channel, all our technical programs and management programs, physical programs, everything are uploaded in the YouTube channel. Whoever is not able to attend online, they can log into our YouTube channel and see the informations. Even today program will be hosted in a week's time. Thank you all. Thank you very much for
Thank you, sir.
once again for
I
your
want to
time.
say, yes, sir. Thank
Yeah.
you for once again to Mr. V.K. Raman, sir, for chairman, Sendil, sir, Vignesh, sir, Raj Mogan, and R.S. Kumar, and Prabhagar and Shekhar, sir, for thanks for your
Thank you.
support to this meeting. And also, I have shared that in my mail ID and also my contact number, sir. If any detailed conversation on specific related topic also, you can reach us, and then I can love to give the presentations one-to-one also, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thanks once and all. Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.